Skydis AI is one of the best just released AI software tools, and there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Stick around to the end of this review, as I'm going to show you exactly how this AI can transform the way you work, and how to try it for free from the link below. Now, the first thing you need to understand is that Skydis AI is designed for businesses, marketers, and creators who need a versatile, intelligent assistant that handles everything from customer service to marketing tasks. If you're tired of spending hours on repetitive tasks, Skydis AI could save you tons of time and resources. One of the standout features of Skydis AI is its ability to automate lead generation. If you're struggling to convert traffic into customers, Skydis can help you set up smart workflows that capture high-quality leads. Using advanced algorithms, it identifies potential customers based on their behavior and interests, so you're always targeting the right people. Another key feature is its natural language processing abilities. Skydis can understand and respond to customer inquiries in real time, making it ideal for automating support and engaging with leads. Whether it's responding to a frequently asked question or handling a complex query, this AI has your back. It saves you hours each week by handling your chatbots, emails, and even social media interactions, leaving you free to focus on strategy. For marketers, the software has powerful content generation tools. From blog posts to product descriptions, Skydis can generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take a human. It also helps with SEO, ensuring that your content is optimized and more likely to rank on Google. Now, one feature that truly sets Skydis AI apart from other software is its scalability. Whether you're a small business owner or running a larger operation, Skydis adapts to your needs. It doesn't matter if you're running one campaign or dozens. Skydis can handle it all without any additional overhead. The AI learns and grows with you, meaning the more you use it, the smarter it becomes. Another incredible feature is its analytics dashboard. Skydis tracks everything from lead conversion rates to customer satisfaction levels. It presents this data in a simple, easy to understand format, so you can make informed decisions about where to invest your time and resources. If you've been looking for something that can help you streamline your marketing efforts without having to hire a huge team, Skydis AI is your solution. Whether it's automating your email marketing, managing your content creation, or boosting your customer support, Skydis takes care of the heavy lifting. One of the biggest reasons I recommend trying Skydis is the price. They offer a completely free trial, and you can get started without any risk. You can try Skydis AI for free right now from the first link in the description. This way, you can experience the software firsthand and see if it's the right fit for your business. Finally, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've put together a list of the best ones in the description below. These tools have been tested and vetted for quality, and I believe they can help elevate your digital marketing and business growth. So, make sure to check them out. If you're looking for a smart, reliable, and scalable AI tool to streamline your operations, Skydis AI might be the best just released software that can change the game for you. Don't miss out. Give it a try today.